You're going to continue practicing adding and subtracting with negative numbers all week. Yesterday was the really long video where I went over all the rules. If you missed that, I would recommend going back and listening to the rules again, because today I'm just going to go through examples. So if you need more help, go back to the video from yesterday for extra explanation. When I'm subtracting and I have positive and negative numbers, the rule I want to use is keep, change, change. Keep the first number, change subtract to add, and change the sign of the second number. It's negative, so I want to change it to the opposite sign, which is positive. Now the problem I have is just 45 plus 16. We're back in second grade. We just need to add up 45 and 16, and they're both positive, so our answer will be positive. I got 61. So 45 plus negative 16 is 61. Let's do another one. I'm adding. I have a negative and a positive. If my signs are different, find the difference. A difference means to subtract. So I take the bigger number, subtract the smaller. 12 minus 7 is 5, and then I keep the sign of the greater number. 12 is greater than 7, and it's negative, so I'm going to keep it. Negative 5. You owe me $12, you pay me back 7, you still owe me 5. $32 minus 100. This is one where I see a lot of kids make a silly mistake. A lot of kids just mix it up and do 100 minus 32 because you think, oh, 100's bigger. But you have to be careful with this. What this problem says is you have $32 and then you try to take away or spend 100. You don't have $100 to spend, so automatically you're going to owe the bank money. This is going to be a negative answer. But when we subtract, we use keep, change, change. Let's do it. Keep the first one, change subtract to add, and change positive 100 to negative 100. Now it's just an addition problem. I'm adding, my signs are different, so I want to find the difference. Finding a difference means subtract, so I'll do 100 minus 32. Can't do 0 minus 2, so I go next door to borrow. I can't, so I go next door to borrow. This becomes 10. I still can't take away my 2, so I go next door. This becomes 9. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 3 is 6. Don't forget to look back at the signs of your numbers. I have positive 32 and negative 100. 100 is bigger, so this is negative 68. If you have $32 and you spend 100, you're going to owe 68. One more, then it's your turn. I'm adding. The signs are the same. When you're putting things together, you're always going to get more of it. So if I'm putting together negative 26 and negative 14, I'm going to have more negative. When you add and the signs are the same, just add the numbers and keep the sign. So in this case, add 26 and 14 and keep the negative. 26 plus 14 is 40. So my answer is negative 40. Your turn to practice. Remember, if you need to see a more detailed explanation, go back to yesterday's video.